Project management matters. Resources are scarce, needs are great, innovation is needed. We need to find ways of connecting and delivering at scale and at pace. We need to manage more as efficient projects. This very clear need for better run projects came out of discussions at the highest level of the United Kingdom government, when they looked around them at the amount of wasted resources and lost time and delivery of projects with products that weren't really needed or were not good value for money at the end of the day. And they established this PRINCE2 method, which was really titled that as projects in controlled environments, fairly self-explanatory, where they were trying to have structures in place, better control, stronger governance, improved stewardship of the public resources, and a set of standards that could be understood by everybody managing public sector projects. This, of course, then spilled over into the private sector and has become a standard across much of the Western world. If we're going to try and deliver projects at pace and scalable and integrated and quality and within all sorts of tolerances in order to innovate and meet the needs of the current and the future, then we need to know the standards and the delivery and the background and the achievements of project and program managers that we're talking to. That's one of the reasons that certification matters. Certification does give us a generally common language, no matter whether you're doing your PRINCE2 certification, your PMP, your Agile PM, your project office, your portfolio and program management certifications. What you do when you do certification is you demonstrate your own commitment to the profession, you demonstrate your commitment to your personal growth, you demonstrate to people that you're serious, you put yourself in a place where you may be considered for additional responsibility, for promotion, for movement to a different department, or you may be looking to move to a different company, and when you've been looking at ads, you see the need for certification. It matters, and part of it is also that it can motivate you. I have to assume that several of these reasons are the reason that you have selected to enroll on this course. So what we're going to do is look at the basic framework of PRINCE2. This is not a course to get you to pass your exams or to convince you to certify or to give you a lot of detail on how to manage a project. But it's to look at the 7 principles, the 7 themes, and the 7 processes in a way that makes it all very clear, very simple, in ways that the manual doesn't necessarily do. Or when you hear people talking about it, it doesn't all hang together. But this will enable you to do that, to have the conversations and have it hang together. In part 2 of the overview, we'll start to look at the principles, themes, and processes. Please find Overview Part 2 in the menu.